as it bursts by the dead trunk, our three warriors alight. One after the other, they hurl their luggage overboard. They are surprised to see Bob Manuel, who has been sent by the Council of Elders for this last journey. They carefully alight from the boat to confront who they were not really expecting.
Over here. Warriors!
Yes, sir! This is a surprise. Very big surprise.
You're surprised to see me?
Yes, sir. I'm equally surprised.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go into today's video, let me say a very big thank you to those that subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your support. Thank you. I also appreciate my returning viewers, and if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I upload new videos. Please like and share this video so as to encourage me and support my channel. We're gonna support your boy. Now let's go into today's video, guys. As we all know that the Gouda Ultimate Search is going to an end by tomorrow, the 26th of December 2021. The search for the hidden treasure began today. We all know that if you have watched previous series of Gouda Ultimate Search, you know that they are going to search for an hidden treasure. So the search for the hidden treasure has begun today. As we know that last week the show was supposed to end last week, but because of that last week they used it in doing the recap of previous episodes that they've done so far. So they now told us last week that it has been extended by 1 week. That means today, Saturday, the 25th of December 2021, and by tomorrow is going to end. In this episode of the show, the three remaining contestants, which are Damola, Damilola, and Odudu, they were ferried by a boat to the river bank. You know, before now, we saw them where they entered the boat as they wanted to embark on a journey. So I think as the boat ferried them back, that means they have gotten to the river bank of where they are going to. That was why they started showing us their journey coming to the river bank. On getting to the river bank, they met Bob Manuel himself. They were surprised to see Bob Manuel as he brought in Tosin as the returning contestant that was voted back by viewers. You know that last week they told us that Chidinma was the one that was supposed to come back, but because of health reasons, Chidinma was not able to make it back. That was why the second runner-up was the one brought in, and that was why Tosin was chosen to come back. But Manuel introduced Tosin to them again, as Tosin now joined the last three to search for the hidden treasure. But Manuel gave them some instructions that will aid them in searching for the hidden treasure. It's called the Akolo chest. After the instructions from Bob Manuel, the four remaining contestants set out for the last journey, which is tagged the Journey of No Return. The search has begun. These four guys started looking for clues that can make them bring the hidden artifact. At this point, Bob Manuel told them before they embark on the journey that is now one man, one head. Whatever you say, whatever clue that you see, you must not disclose it to anyone. So they were searching inside the bush from one location to the another. They were showing us different locations that they were searching. They even got to a place whereby we saw a very big river. They were still searching all through the day. It got to a stage where it seems Damola spotted a clue, and also Tosin also spotted a clue. Damilola found a clue, and Damola also find another clue with a sheet attached to it. Odudu also find another sheet and a clue which shows him what lies ahead of them, but he decided to keep it to himself because the instructor, which is Bob Manuel, has told them that at this point you must not disclose whatever you see to your fellow contestant, and even him himself, Bob Manuel, that you must not tell anybody, it must be only with you. When the night falls, it got a point when the night falls, these warriors keep on looking for the hidden artifact that will make the winner a millionaire in naira. When they tried to rest a while, Bob Manuel barged on them as he was not happy seeing them resting. Bob asked to know those that dropped their foodstuffs, stuffs and clothes, because at a point they were not convenient with their luggage, the weight of their luggages. So some of them dropped the food stuff, some of their food stuff, while some of them also dropped their clothing. So Bob Manuel further reminded them not to disclose the clues they find with anyone. So he also encouraged them to brace up for tomorrow because it's going to be a long day in the search of the hidden treasure. The guys decided to put up a mobile tent for them to lay their heads and rest for the night. That was major thing that happened in this episode of the show. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Before I go, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. Thank you. I also appreciate my returning viewers, and if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I make another video. Thank you.